Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced ambulance job script from Sky Systems into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which I'm going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. When you click over here, you can see the preview video of the script. Now you just have to scroll down over here. So there are two plans for this script. First one is for monthly basis and the second one is for lifetime access. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we will receive these three files. We just have to install them into our FiveM resources. So I'll be installing them over here, just like this. Now open the Skybase, go to config, then config.lua. From here, you can configure some basic changes for your Skybase. Like you can change the script's language from here. The default one is going to be for English. Open the locals folder. These are the config language options over here as you can see. Now open the Sky Jobs base. Now we have to run the SQL of the script. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the ambulance job folder. Here also we need to install the SQL of the script. This time we are going to install it through phpMyAdmin. So select your server, click on import and choose your file by clicking over here. Select your SQL, click on open. After that, you just simply click on import. So all the tables has been installed in our database. Now go to config, inventory. Now copy all these images from here, then paste them into your inventory script. So I'll be pasting them in my QB inventory. For that, go to QB inventory, HTML, images, then paste them over here. Just like this. Now open the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. Go to setup, installation. Now scroll down over here, then click on this inventory items. Over here, we need to select it according to our inventory. So in my case, I'll be using QB inventory. Copy these line of codes. Go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste them over here. Just like this. Now in the ambulance script, go to config, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. These are the features comes with the script. You can easily enable or disable it according to your preference. Like bleeding, pain, fractures and more. This is the configuration for primary color. The default one is going to be red. This is the configuration for job over here. These are the configuration for items which we can purchase from our ambulance armory. This is the configuration for vehicles. And there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now we have to delete the default ambulance job from our resource. Now before starting up the server, we have to ensure the scripts in the server.cfg. Copy the name of the script. Go to server.cfg, then ensure them over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. First, we need to set up ourselves as a boss of EMS. For that, we need to type /set boss, job's name, then grade. So we have set ourselves as a job as you can see. So for this video, we are going to configure this hospital over here. For that, we need to type /job, config. So we'll get a job configuration menu over here. Click on the ambulance. So here you can see there are already two predefined jobs has been configured over here. If you want to create a new job, just click on new job, then fill all the requirements over here. So I'll be just using this job which is already configured. Click on edit. So in the general section, this is the job name, off-duty job and more. The next option is for shop, which is also known as armory. So if you want to add any new item, you just have to click over here. Or if you want to remove any item, just click on this delete button. So I'll be keeping it default for now. The third option is going for props. The fourth option is going for vehicles. These are the predefined configured vehicles over here. The fifth option is for locations. Now here we need to configure hospital. For that, click on add hospital. Here you need to provide the name of the hospital. So I'll be giving it a name of MZ hospital. Over here, if you click on add, you will get some more options to add over here. So I'll be just using default options. So first, let's set up our vehicle garage. For that, click on this menu button. And we need to find a location for our vehicle menu. So after selecting the location, click on enter. The second option is for spawn vehicle. So for spawn, I'll be giving this location. The last option is for parking. So for parking, I'll be giving this location. Just like this, you can configure locations for helicopter and boat. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now we need to set up the location for body bag drop off. So I'll be adding this location for that. Just like this, let's set up all other locations. So after setting up all location, provide the hospital's name, then click on save. So our hospital has been configured now. And the last option is for blips. You can configure it according to your preference. The label name is going to be MZ Hospital. After everything is done, click on save. On the left section, you can find some more options over here like general settings, hospital beds, treatment and more. So I have the ambulance job over here. Let's go on duty. So this is the doctor over here. Press E to interact with the doctor. Select patient. After selecting the patient, you will get these three options like heal yourself, treat patient and revive patient. So let's heal ourselves. So this is the boss menu over here. In the dashboard, you will find all basic details. You can see the total fund of EMS over here. This is a section for funds. You can add your funds over here. Just like this. With this option, it will show the list of all the doctors. These are the EMS ranks. And the final option is for logs. So this is the armory of EMS as you can see. Let's purchase some items. So this is the area for X-ray. You can select a patient. So I'll be selecting myself over here. And the scanning has been begun now as you can see. So this is the result of our fracture over here. This is the CT section as you can see. So no active injuries has been found over here. This is the MRI section. You can configure all the locations according to your preference. Let's get our ambulance. Let's get an ambulance from vehicle shop. Let's get the ambulance out. Let's park it back. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.